I'll show you the hidden hack to create multiple, completely independent Discord accounts using your same email address. We'll also look at how to execute this workaround, why it works natively without breaking terms of service, and a major security warning regarding your phone number that most tutorials skip. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. You'll learn how to make another Discord account, maybe a private alt account, a professional profile for work, or a dedicated profile for testing servers. But when you try to register, Discord throws a red error saying your email is already in use. To bypass this block without creating a dozen different mailboxes, we use a trick called email subaddressing. For example, if your primary email is yourname@gmail.com, you can sign up for a second Discord account using yourname plus alt@gmail.com or yourname plus gaming@gmail.com. Discord system views that modified string as a unique, brand new email address, allowing it to easily pass the registration portal. However, your mail provider completely ignores the plus sign and everything after it, meaning all your Discord activation codes route straight into your single, main email inbox. To get this running safely, perform these steps on a desktop web browser. Open a private incognito browser window. Go to the Discord website at discord.com and click Register at the bottom of the login box. In the email field, enter your modified email address using the plus modifier. Fill out a completely new username, a unique password, and your date of birth, then hit to continue. Switch over to your primary personal email inbox. Open the new confirmation message from Discord and click the blue Verify Email button. Your secondary account is now officially live. Now that your second account is active, you must avoid the absolute biggest trap that destroys secondary accounts, the phone verification trap. While email servers are perfectly fine with the plus sign modifier, Discord's antibot infrastructure handles phone numbers very differently. If you try to add your single personal phone number to this new alt account for security, Discord will instantly rip that phone number off your primary account. This causes an instant chain reaction. Your main account will be flagged as suspicious, you will be locked out, and your permissions to type in advanced servers that require phone verification will be stripped. So keep your secondary account strictly verified by email only, or link it to a completely separate, unique phone number. And here's the best part, you do not need to constantly log out and type in passwords to hop between your profiles. So, are you setting up a secondary account to test server bots, or are you trying to keep your work life and gaming life completely separate? Let me know in the comments below. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.